Good morning, everyone. Today is e-learning, March 16th, 2020. We're going to start off Module 7, which is a module on sequences. We're going to have a theme every day. Today's theme is Pajama Day. Tuesday, I thought we would go green. You don't need to be Irish to participate in Green Day on Tuesday. Wednesday, in honor of all the canceled sports, let's make it a Jersey Day, Sports Day on Wednesday. Thursday is about the time that you're going to need to get up, move around a little bit. So Thursday is going to be Fitness Day. Wear your athletic gear. Friday, Happy Spring Break Day. Let's go Hawaiian Day on Friday. All right, we're going to start off with a little bit of sequences and refresher on sequences. A sequence is simply a pattern. If you were asked to find the next term in this sequence, go ahead and fill in that next term. Of course, if you're asked to find the next term in this pattern, take a minute and fill in that next term. Sometimes it's easy to represent a sequence with a function. This sequence. Okay, pause.